Let's face it, all the cycling shoes that are currently in the market, they're all exchangeable. It's the same philosophy, it's weight and stiffness. We were able to take a complete new approach. My name is Peter Ruger. I'm a partner at iGenerator. I've been in the footwear industry for over 20 years. I'm an avid cyclist, live in Portland, Oregon.
Right, the first step in the process was brainstorming in terms of what functional innovation we could bring into this type of footwear. I'm Simon Luthi. I'm a partner at iGenerator, a consulting company in Portland, Oregon. I'm a PhD in biomechanics. I have about 30 years of experience in functional footwear development. As your knee and your ankle go through the whole 360-degree cycle, there's movement of the leg with respect to the femur. There's movement in the ankle, and this movement is not just one-dimensional, it's three-dimensional. In order to achieve an appropriate power transfer, you do not want to restrict this type of movement.
So when Giant approached us with the footwear project and introduced the idea of dynamic cycling fit, we got really, really excited because there's only X amount of touching points on a bike and the rider, and obviously the shoe and the pedal being the engine. I look at that as the most important one. Giant was very open to test things, and the key to the motion efficiency system is the EXO-Beam and the EXO-Wrap. The EXO-Beam, a fully structured carbon, super lightweight carbon tooling with an asymmetric ridge that allows the shoe to be completely stiff longitudinally, but allows for eversion and inversion. No other shoe does that. One of the things to achieve that nobody has ever tried in cycling before is a complete new construction. We have a moccasin construction in the heel, which means there's no internal plate to the back part of the shoe, only in the front part. What allows us to do is we can cut out the whole arch part and have the EXO-Wrap actually pull as you tighten. We were able to adapt the exact same philosophy to the off-road shoes as well. We're also able to build in flex in the toe for steep climbs with the EXO-Flex. The level of comfort, the potential for injury prevention is something that only Giant can offer.
You need very stiff shoes, very stiff soles to put the power, bring the power from the body, from the legs onto the pedals. The second thing is they have to be very comfortable because you spend hours and hours in these shoes, and so they have to just fit perfectly.
And at the end you come to a point where you find the correct construction, the correct configuration, the correct movement, and the correct power transfer, the correct comfort, and you have to make sure that the rider actually feels comfortable with the shoe.